Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your dream app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just come here to make multiple here outputs here, just clicking this sign or this color. So then you click here on view all benefits here. So then here before that you have to get premium here. So then automatically it's gone here to enable with you on your dream app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.